Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. Before I begin this video, just like to give an apology. I understand that the audio is not that good, but I'm working to resolve it. But meanwhile, you can kindly watch this video by just using your headphones or earphones, and I'm sure you're going to get a better output of the same. I would also like to give a disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes only. Cheating or any other activity that violates academic honesty guidelines is highly discouraged. The problem set and presented in this video is owned by Harvard University. So today we are going to be doing this prompt that is titled playback speed. So it says some people have a habit of lecturing, speaking rather quickly, and it would be nice to slow them down, a la YouTube 0.75 speed, or even by having them pause between words. In a file called playback.py, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for input, then outputs the same input, replacing each space with. So what you're going to do, you're going to be implementing this in Visual Basic. So, and the first thing that you're supposed to do is first of all create that. So for us to create that, we're just going to say code, then playback.py. There we have it. Then we can now proceed. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to come up with a variable called input prompt, like that. Then we are going to assign it. So the prompt needs us to prompt the user for input. So we are going to use the input function. So we are going to prompt the user to enter a message. Then after the user has entered a message, we're going to come up with another variable and probably call it output prompt. So for this output prompt, we now need to replace the spaces in a message with the three dots. So what we're going to do, we are going now to use the replace function. So we are going to say input prompt. Then what we are going to do, we are going to use the replace function in brackets. So we are telling this program that we want to replace, that is the first part of the argument, with now the three dots, 1 2 3. So then we want to get the output of the same. So we're going to say output prompt. So that should work. We can test it. So to test it, so enter a message. How is your day? So you can see the spaces have been replaced by the three dots. So as the prompt had asked. So that's the end. So if you just want to check whether this is accurate, you can just type check 15 CS50/problems 2022 Python. Then this is playback. So give it time. It's doing a check. So remember, if the program is, or if the code is functioning well as intended, it should be able to give us the green responses just down here. So let us just wait for it. So you can see, so this means that the program works well. So thank you for taking time just to watch this video, and again I would like to request you to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also comment on it. So thank you, see you in the next video.